Hi guys, this is Trisha from Happily Ever Style. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a proud outfit repeater and a toddler mom. I like to share tips on how to maximize your wardrobe and style the same pieces in different ways. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to take care of your sweaters before you store them away so that the next winter when you take them out, they'll be in the same good condition. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe so that you can follow me for more style tips. Over the last few years, I've made a conscious effort to be more mindful of what I buy and how I take care of the clothes that I buy. In the process of trying to be more sustainable, I realized that learning how to take care of your clothes plays a significant role. A lot of the well-made clothes are made to last, but if you don't take good care of them, they will deteriorate quicker and eventually become a waste. As the season starts to change, I've been reorganizing my closet and starting to put some winter stuff away. If you're also reorganizing your closet, make sure these are the 5 things that you do before you put your winter sweaters away. The first is to make sure that you clean your sweaters before you store them away. This is important because any dirt or oil left behind can cause the stains to become very stubborn and hard to remove later on. And this can also attract moths. For delicate knits, make sure you hand wash them or use the gentle cycle on your washing machine. For wool and cashmere sweaters, dry cleaning is often the best option. And don't forget, it's very important to make sure that all your sweaters are completely dried before you store them away. The second is to depil and refresh your sweaters. It is very common for pilling to happen over time on sweaters. Sometimes the easiest way to refresh your sweaters and make it look like brand new again is to remove the pilling with a fabric shaver. This one from Nori is one of my favorites. It's very easy to use and I use it on almost all my sweaters. If you have a wool sweater, you can consider using a garment brush. The third is to always make sure you fold your sweaters. It is always better to fold your sweaters instead of hanging them. Hanging them may not be the best option because gravity will pull on the fabric, which causes stretching to happen. Over time, this might mean that your sweater will lose its shape. Sometimes when a sweater loses its shape, it will appear older, and that's not what we want the next winter when we take it out. The fourth is using garment bags. Once all of your sweaters are folded, put them in cotton garment bags before you store them away. This will help prevent your sweaters from accumulating dust. I like to collect dust bags to make sure that I have enough for all my winter sweaters. The fifth and last is to make sure that you keep moths away. As mentioned earlier, sometimes dirt or oil can attract moths. In order to make sure that we keep the moths away, store your winter sweaters with cedar blocks or lavender sachets. I like these two options only because they're very easy to get on Amazon. Because moths don't like the scents, it's a great way to keep them away from your sweaters. If you have wool coats, it's also a great idea to hang a cedar block right next to the wool coats. I personally have been a victim and found holes in my sweaters before, so this is something that I always do before I store my winter sweaters away. So if you want to make sure that your sweaters stay in the same condition next winter, those are the 5 things that you should be doing before you store them away. By doing these 5 things, it's also a great way to elongate the lifespan of your sweaters so you can wear them for many years to come. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe so you can follow me for more style tips. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.